Hi. Have you ever thought about what really matters in automatic welding in shipyard and offshore structures? At least I did, so let me elaborate a little bit about that topic. Basically, we have to state that with these big structures, automation is very difficult. So the majority of all welds is still carried out manually. No way. But of course, there are some areas where you can automate. Let's start at the easy areas, where you have a long, straight weld. That's nice. You can use a tractor, you pull in a manual welding torch, and here we go, and you'll do that long, straight weld. You can solve that similarly when you have a big cylindrical structure. Here you could use an orbital tractor and basically do the same, just using this equipment. If things get bigger, more, let's say, real three-dimensional, of course it gets even more difficult and complicated. Here you need intelligent systems using software and sensors that really, recognize the seam and that automatically are guided over these big workpieces. Here we differentiate between big gantry systems and big robotic systems. And big means heights up to 4 or 5 meters, lengths 40 meters and more. So that's real big, but using these solutions, you can of course also have some automation even in that area.